When to use Zelle to split a payment is a convenient way to divide bills and expenses with friends, family, or colleagues. To start, you need to have the Zelle app or access it through your bank's mobile app. First, identify the payment you want to split, such as a dinner bill, rent, or utility bill. Determine the total amount and the number of people splitting the cost. Next, open the Zelle app and select the payment option. Enter the total amount and choose the split payment feature. You can then add the names and email addresses or phone numbers of the people you want to split the bill with. Zelle allows you to split the payment evenly or customize the amounts for each person. For example, if you and two friends are splitting a dinner bill of $100, you can choose to split it evenly at $33.33 each. After setting up the split payment, Zelle will send a notification to each participant with the amount they owe. They can then review and pay their share using the Zelle app. Best practices for using Zelle to split payments include communicating clearly with the group about the total amount and the split, ensuring everyone has the Zelle app and is enrolled, and setting a deadline for payment. In addition, consider using Zelle to split payments for group gifts, travel expenses, or shared subscriptions. This feature can also be useful for roommates splitting rent and utility bills. By following these steps and using Zelle to split payments, you can simplify the process of dividing expenses and make it easier to manage shared costs with others. This feature is convenient, easy to use, and helps to avoid awkward conversations about money. Overall, Zelle's split payment feature is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to divide bills or expenses with others. It is a quick, secure, and convenient way to manage shared costs and avoid financial stress.